Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this tasty and easy jasmine rice. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. Without further ado, let's get into today's video. In a medium pan or a pot, you're going to pour some oil and let the oil to heat up. Once hot, you're going to add 4 slices of onions and fry the onions till golden brown. Stir the onions constantly so that the onions can have a nice golden brown color on both sides. Once the onions have this amazing golden brown color, then your onions are ready, and remove them from the oil and place them aside on a plate. Then our next step, you're going to make the rice. In a medium small pot, you're going to pour 2 cups and a half of water and let the water to boil. Once the water starts to form some bubbles, you're going to add some salts. Then you're going to add 1 piece of Bayleaf, 4 to 5 pieces of cardamon, and 1 piece of cinnamon sticks. Then cover to let the water to continue to boil. When the water starts to boil, lastly, you're going to add 1.5 cup of basmati rice, or you can use any other rice that you prefer. Make sure you've washed the rice before putting it in the water. Then stir and cover to let the rice to cook until soft. It took me about 7 to 10 minutes for my rice to be soft like this. Make sure the rice is not completely soft because we are going to put it afterwards in the oven. Once ready, remove the rice from the heat, then drain the water and remove the cinnamon, cardamom and the bay leaf. The next step, you're going to take a baking dish, or you can use a pot if you're not going to use an oven. Then add half of the rice in the baking dish. Afterwards, you're going to add half of the fried onions, then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Then repeat the same process by adding the remaining rice, oil and the fried onions. And my jasmine rice is ready, as you can see in the video. Lastly, cover with a foil and place it in a preheated oven and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, our jasmine rice is ready, and cover it and let it to cool down a bit. Lastly, I'm going to add boiled eggs, optional, you don't have to do this step. I'm doing it because I want to decorate it to get that definition of jasmine flower. And our tasty jasmine rice is ready. As you can see in the video, it's very tasty and very easy to make. So the Swahili culture, we prefer eating this jasmine rice with stir-fried liver, chicken or meat. That's up to you. Enjoy with some chili and a cold drink and enjoy your jasmine rice. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.